Hello there, thank you for popping into my channel. I am Sweet D and you're currently watching Sweet D TV. Now on to this beautiful unit. This is Bare Lace by Sensationnel line, also Bare Luxe, and it's 13 by 6 pre-plucked. Has baby hair. It has a breathable mesh cap with a big headband around here. It does, however, still have 3 combs, 2 on the side and 1 in the back. And it has a silicone lining for a secure fit. And it's a glueless install. Ladies, after reading that, the only thing I say is, it's wonderful. I love this unit. It makes me feel so sexy and feel so alive and young. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn that way and I'm going to give you a side breath. Okay? Alright. Oh, it's beautiful. It's really long too. So now I'm going to give you a side. So, the only thing I say is I love this unit. It doesn't have any shedding. It doesn't have any tangling. And the only thing I say is I enjoy it. It's a beautiful unit.